Once a preacher boy was told he couldn't preach it straight and strong. 10 commandments and perhaps the golden rule. No one wanted him to tell them what was right and what was wrong. So they asked an old-time preacher what to do. Just preach Jesus born and crucified and risen from the dead. Just preach Jesus as a paid for sin with the precious blood he shed. Lord and Savior, King of Kings, Son of God and Son of Man. Just preach Jesus until Jesus comes again. That old preacher turned to Acts chapter 8, verse 35.